Hello viewers, welcome to my math class. Today I am going to explain about that multiplication. See, for the multiplication in the Vedic mathematics, basically we have two methods. So they are, the first one is Nichiren method and the second one is Urdhva method. So first one is Nichiren method and second one is Urdhva method. So, and in addition to these, there are some more certain special shortcut multiplication methods are there. So in special cases. Okay, now we will see that the multiplication in special cases. Multiplication in special cases. How? What is that? First concept one. What is the concept? Product of two numbers when the units place digit is 5. So product of two numbers where the units place digit is 5 and the remaining tens or hundreds place digits are same. So this is the first condition. So in this situation, how can we do the multiplication in easiest method? So see this, for example, 35 into 35. 35 into 35. If you observe this, 5 and 5. So unit place digit is 5 and the remaining tens place digit is same. So it is very easy to find the multiplication of this. So that can be written as in our traditional method what we will do. So 35 into 35. So this is equals to 5 5s are 25 and 5 3s are 15 plus to this to carry 17. So next into 3 5s are 15 and 3 3s are 9 1 10. So this is what 5 7 plus 5 12 and 2 and 1. So finally we got 1225. So by this traditional method, what is this? So this is a traditional method. So this is what? Traditional method. Traditional method. So regularly we are using this. So traditional method. And now what is the Vedic mathematics method? Special case method here. So write 35 into 35. So very easy. So 35 into 35 here. So first of all, you have to multiply the unit place digit. 5 into 5. How much? 5 into 5. So 5 5s are 25. Write the answer's right place. So answer's right number 25. So now, so what is the next number of this 3? Why? Because here we have the 3 tens place digits are both are same. So 3 next number is what? 4. So 3 plus 1 means 4. So multiply those two means 3 into 4. So that is equals to what? 12. So direct answer is 1225. First of all, we have to do that 5 into 5. 5 into 5 that is equals to 25. This is the right part of the answer. And the next, what is the next number of this? 3 into 4 that is equals to 12. So these two are the most important. So 3 4s are 12 and 5 5s are 25. That's it. Simply we can find the multiplication of 35 into 35. Okay. Now let us see the one more example, that is 75 into 75. How can we multiply this? So by this special case method, so 75 into 75. I said already 75 into 75 is equals to here. The first unit place digits 5 into 5 you have to multiply. 5 5s are 25. So this is the right part of the answer. And next now, what are the tens place digits? 7. So what is the next number of the 7? Means continuation number of the 7 is 8. Multiply those 7 and 8. 7 8 are 56. So right here, this is the left part of the answer. So the final answer is 5625 is the 75 into 75. Okay, and see that one more example problem. 115 into 115. How it will be? See direct 115 into 115 that is equals to, right, first of all multiply the unit place digit. 5 into 5 25. So this is the right part of the answer. And next 11. What is the next number of 11? 12. So 11 12s are 132. So 132 you can write it as, so that is, so 13 to 25 is the answer. So this is the multiplication with a number which has the unit place digit is 5 and the remaining tens and hundreds place digits are same. So in this particular case only we can use this method. Now let us see the concept 2. product of two numbers when the sum of the units place digit is 10. Sum of the units place digit is 10 and the remaining digit places digits are same. Okay, now what, for example, see that 123 into 127. So sum of the unit place digit is, if you observe, this is 3 and 7. Sum of these unit place digit is 10. 3 plus 7. Okay, and the remaining tens and hundreds places are same. Now we can apply this method. How it will be? Very easy. So first of all, we have to multiply these unit place digits. So 123 into 127, that is equals to 7 3s are 21. You have to write this 21 as the right part of the answer. And next 123 into 127. So what are the remaining hundreds and tens place and hundreds place digits? 12. So what is the next number of the 12? 13. Multiply 12 into 13. So 12 into 13, 156. So this is the answer. 123 into 127 is equals to what? 15,621. Very easy. And now one more example. So 78 into 72. If you observe here, the unit place digits are 8 and 10. Sum of these two is also 10. Now we can apply this formula, this method. So how it will be? 78 into 72. This can be written as, see, 8 plus 2 10. So this method is applicable now. So now 8 2s are 16. You have to write. This is the right part of the answer. And what is the next number about the 7? 8. So 7 into 8, 56. This is the answer for that. Okay, 78 into 72. See one more example problem, third one. So 41 into 49, for example. 41 into 49, how it will be? So 41 into 49, very easy. Why? Because see here the unit place digit is 10. Sum of the two unit place digits is 10, 9 plus 1. So now this method is applicable. So 9 ones are 9. So when you are getting this 9, so here that you must this right part of this answer must contain the two digits. So if you must observe this. Okay. So for this you have to give the 0. And 4 4s are 16. So sorry, 4 4s are not 4 into 5. Next number of 4 is what? 5. So 4 5s are 20. Okay. So okay, now let us see one more example problem, that is 41 into 49. So 41 into 49, if you observe the unit place digits 9 and 1. So sum of these two unit place digits is 10. 9 plus 1 is equals to 10. So that's why we can use this method. So 41 into 49. So 1 9s are 9. So here the right part of the answer must contains the two digits. That's why 9 you can write it as 0 9. And now that next, what is the tens place digit? 4. Next number of the 4 is 5. Multiply 4 and 5. 4 5s are 20. So this is our required 2009 is the answer by multiplying 41 into 49. So see one more example problem. So suppose for example 54 into 56. 54 into 56. So 54 into 56. See here 6 plus 4 10. The unit place digit is, sum of the unit place digit is 10. So now again we can use this method. So what is this? 54 into 56 is equals to, see, 6 4s are 24. 2 digits. No problem. We can write this as the right part of the answer. And the next, what is the next number of the 5? 6. 5 6 are 30. So this is the answer. Okay. I hope you understand this concept too.